happened?
Accumulation of experience in diagnostics and treatment and viewing the characteristics of the epidemic into prominence, the judge
by the time I left.
And after you left...
Oh my god, someone just lost ladders! Someone just lost ladders! Oh my god! Someone, oh my god! Someone just lost 2 ladders.
Off their Trojan.
Yeah, hold on. What the?
Like super corporate apologies to some sort of moment that had deep meaning for the 2 people involved, these human spaces, and I don't know. I guess with
Oh
this
my.
and I don't know. I guess with
Oh
this
my.
You stay right there. You stay right there. You stay right there. You stay in the car. I'm in fear of my life. I'm going to defend myself. I'm going to defend myself. Get the out of here. You're on camera. You're on camera. You're on camera. You're on camera. Yeah, keep it up. HYS 6098. Lunatic driver. 8. Lunatic driver.
Problem?
Yeah, you're on camera, okay?
I don't give a fucking camera.
What did I do?
Yeah, forget I'm not out of your ass.
You. I'm not afraid of you. Don't get out of that car. Do not get out of that car. I'm warning you. I'm warning you. You understand?
No, I don't understand.
You little pussy. I'm not afraid of you.
You think I'm afraid of you, bitch?
Dude, you have no idea. What was that all about? What was that all about?
Cut my ass off.
I didn't mean to. I didn't see you.
Did.
Fuck you. You're lucky you're still standing. I am not afraid of you.
I'm not afraid of you either. I got no problem. None whatsoever.
Clearly.
To the shit like you killed my brother. Shit like you killed my brother.
Who? are you talking
Run
about?
over people.
Look at you. I got you on camera driving like a punk.
I'm good, because you can see your ass cut me off this.
I didn't cut you off.
Did you not pull
And then you almost rammed that guy.
No, you can't.
Just get out of here. Get the f out of here.
You can't.
Get out of here.
You came after.
Funny. Love you too.
Oh shit!
Holy. Oh.
Thunder first,
Okay. Holy shit.
Might not sound like a lot of money given just how much time it takes to go and make a video and post it and review a product. But you gotta think the more people that see that product over time.
Oh my. Okay, Presto. You know, I may say, oh,
What the poor man clothes. Yeah, what the hell?
okay, Presto. Man,
At the top that doesn't have a button. So click and drag and move it around. You can also click and drag on the stance bar at the bottom. Available to hold the convention in Jacksonville.
Yeah, behind me.
Uh-oh. There's road rage going on right now. The SUV right there?
Driving in the middle of the lane?
Yeah. They tried brake checking that guy right there. They are driving very dangerously. What is he?
Yeah, he just wants to push buttons to see.